Hello students, in this video we will discuss about integration of this function 1 upon root under a square plus x square, and integration of this equal to given here. Now we will see proof of this. Since in function I equal to 1 upon root under a square plus x square into dx, this is the integrating function. In this function put x equal to a tan theta. Therefore dx means differentiating this with respect to theta will be a into sec square theta into d theta. Now replace here dx by a into sec square theta into d theta, a into sec square theta into d theta whole upon root under a square minus plus x replaced by a tan theta, so this will be a square tan square theta, a square tan square theta. Integration a upon, now we take a square as a common and it will become outside from this square root, so this will be a, and remain will be sec square theta upon root under 1 plus tan square theta into d theta. A and a will be cancelled. Now we can write this sec square theta plus tan theta, sec square theta whole upon root under 1 plus tan square theta, this will be sec square theta, and comes out from this square root, so this will be sec of theta into d theta. Sec theta and sec theta will be cancelled, so this will be remain in integration sec of theta into d theta. As you know that integration of sec theta is log of sec theta plus tan theta plus c. From here we can find the value of tan theta. Here tan theta equal to x upon a. Since first replace sec theta, convert sec theta into the form of tan theta, so this will be log of root under 1 plus tan square theta plus tan theta plus c. This will be is equal to log of root under 1 plus on the place of tan theta x upon a, so this will be 1 plus x square upon a square plus on the place of tan theta x upon a plus c. Now we can write this integration over 1 upon root under x square minus a square into dx equal to log of taking LCM, so LCM will be a square, so this will be root under a square plus x square whole upon, this is the x square plus a square whole upon, this will be a square plus x upon a plus c. Now log of this will become outside from this square root, so you can write this a square plus x square whole upon a plus x upon a plus c. This will be log of taking LCM will be a, so this will be x plus root under a square plus x square plus c. Now by the log rule we can write log m upon n. Log m upon n means log m minus n, so log m minus log n, so this will be log of x plus root under x square plus a square minus log of a plus c. Since c minus log of a is a constant, so we can write this 1 upon root under integration of 1 upon root under x square plus a square into dx equal to log of x plus root under x square plus a square plus c, where c equal to c minus log of a. So this is the integration of root under x square 1 upon root under x square plus a square.